Today is November 17, 2025, Monday within the 33rd week in Ordinary Time, Year C. Lord, I want to see. This simple prayer from the blind man in today's Gospel from the account of Luke chapter 18 verses 35 to 43 becomes my own cry as well as I reflect on the moments when life feels blurry, heavy, or uncertain, when fears, disappointments, or hidden wounds cloud my vision of God's presence in my life. Like the man sitting by the roadside, I felt pushed aside by pressures, by doubts, by stress, and a silent expectation to stay strong even when I myself is struggling. Yet, his courage to cry out inspires me to do the same. And I imagine Jesus stopping in front of me, looking at me with tenderness and asking me, Father Jack, what do you want me to do for you? Inviting me to drop my masks and speak sincerely from the heart. And so I pray, Lord, I want to see hope where I feel discouraged, to see your love when I feel unworthy, to see purpose when I feel lost, to see the path you desire for me even when my own plans scramble and crumble. And as you open my eyes in your time and in your way, may my healing lead me to follow you more faithfully, glorifying you not only with words, but with the choices I make, the compassion I show, and the quiet courage I carry every day. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, let me conclude my reflection with 3S. The blind man's encounter with Jesus beautifully illustrates the 3S of faith: surrender, sincerity, and surprises. The blind man, he surrenders his fear and societal expectations, sitting by the roadside and boldly calling out to Jesus. He approaches with sincerity